right nostril breathing. This is left nostril breathing. So, okay, what's going to happen with the balancing aspect?
So that's alternate.
Alternate, yeah. It could be like, suspension on the inhale and the exhale. So long deep breathing would come in here as well, It's balancing the prana and apana. And I know you spoke about this a little bit. And I don't want to go much more into the vayus, the airs, this time round. I'm going to give you a chart which makes a lot of different correspondences for you. But I don't want to give you that now because there's a lot in it. And so we need to make some steps, to start to make these associations first. So, So this is the path of Kundalini, okay? I just want to talk about the path of Kundalini because I'm going to talk about balance now. Because raising the Kundalini is a process of balance. Because you can go, oh wow, my Kundalini rose and I'm like seeing 1,000 lights and I'm in ecstasy and okay, and it's like it's easy to have the Kundalini rise. Can you keep it up? Right? Yeah? And then what are you doing in the service of? You're giving a lecture on how you had an amazing Kundalini experience